is China. This is Chongqing. And this is Grand Avenue. The hardcore spirit begins on the outside. The top rear cargo bag can carry up to 495 kilograms. You think this is just a cargo bag? No, it's also your mobile power source. 3.3 kilowatts external power output makes outdoor electricity use efficient and effortless. Mecha-style front face, fully radiating its aura. With matching fierce headlights, nothing can hide in the wilderness at night. Equipped tires like these. Rough roads, this is my home court. Now, let me take you into the battle cockpit. Not only that, the Grand Avenue is also your mobile command center. Industry first, drone control via in-car system. Scout, film, and transmit back. Executed in one seamless action. Make your adventure journey full of special memories. Feast your life, masters the wild. If you want to learn more information, contact me, YOUHU, your reliable partner.